Seeing the Dall's porpoises swimming around and having fun like this was actually just the bonus. This was part of the 26 Glacier boat tour in Whittier, Alaska that you can seamlessly do as part of your one-way Alaska cruise between Vancouver and Whittier. You'll go through Prince William Sound, and the real highlights are actually seeing two glaciers up close. The tour literally starts right next to the cruise ship, and the cruise ship and tour timings are such that you can do the tour before or after your Alaska cruise, as well as before or after the train between Anchorage and Whittier. I've combined the Alaska cruise, the 26 Glacier tour, and the train, so check out the blog for details. Now let's get back to seeing the Dall's porpoises on the boat ride, starting right next to Whittier Cruise Port.
We encourage you to move about the boat and observe the spectacular scenery from all three decks. Your safety is our primary concern.
And Mark. All right, now you folks are going to be hearing a lot from now. A whole bunch of them may be chasing a school of fish, and we'll see if we can entice them to come hang out.
Oh, yeah.
Just ahead of us, about 100 feet.
Oh, there they are. Yeah.
Where they come, on the left side, look, they're racing.
Oh yeah, that just ran right under the boat. Between those two.
Yeah.
On the bow. Wow. Oh, there they just went under the boat. There. Oh shoot, I wasn't even looking.
Oh, then.
Oh, there they go. But not a shadow.
Porpoise, I love it when they're feeling friendly and they want to come hang out with us. We'll go ahead and leave this group alone. Start slowly getting back up to speed. They should look at them. Go ahead and start getting back up to speed here. Want to make sure we got lots of time for any other wildlife we might come across today as well.
I've started a cruise in Whittier as well as ended a cruise in Whittier, so be sure to check out the blog for ideas on how to plan Whittier Cruise Port before or after your cruise. The blog is called My Perfect Alaska Cruise.